This bird can mimic over 200 sounds. Meet the mockingbird, nature's greatest impersonator. It can copy the songs of over 30 other bird species. Not just birds, mockingbirds can mimic car alarms, doorbells, and even dogs barking. They do this to defend territory and attract mates. Some males sing all night long, especially under full moons. Their brain can store hundreds of sound patterns like a living soundboard. Mockingbirds don't just sing, they perform. Subscribe for more wild bird facts.